Well, I guess there's nothing to do but do it. This is nerve-wracking. I'm going to have to do this one from the outside because there's a beam right here. And I can't get this to go around the curve in there. So I've got to do this one and the top one from outside here. I had these on here when I traced it out in case it rained, which it did. So these are just cut through marks to tell me where the window was out here. I've taken off all the glue around it, so when I put this on, this piece is coming out, so I don't need to do anything with that. But I've taken the glue off through here so that the frame will fit in there and get a good seal. Here's that beam. It's a support beam. What it does, it connects, it's welded into the roof here to support, and it's welded in the frame down there. So, gotta leave that one. Not only the aluminum, we have some steel Z supports, so we're gonna have some fireworks. Only got 3 of them to take out, so it's not too bad. Well, got the window roughed in, as you can see. Had to make some extension brackets right there. And then I've got my other bracket here, which is not attached yet. And some brackets across here. And I've still got to put some cross pieces here to support that, make it a little stronger. And as you can see, opens up nicely. And closes nice. And then of course I got this over here to attach. What I'm going to be using is, it's hard to see, but this is a polystyrene seam sealer adhesive compound. It's automotive panel glue, basically. It's what they use to put cars together with nowadays. So once I put this on, it's not coming apart, and it'll be there forever. Alright, let me get back to working on this. I've got to do a little bit of work on it. Like I say, get all the stuff locked in. I may put an angle bracket in here to help support it, and on that side also. Let's go outside and see what it looks like. Gotta be careful of that cable. I just got it taped in right now, so as you can see, it's looking pretty good. Hard to see from this side, but I cleaned all the glue and stuff around where I'm going to be putting it, so the butyl tape will stick really well. And then I get the good job of taking all that other excess off. So far the best method for getting this stuff off is to peel the vinyl off, which leaves 100% of the glue, and then use a wheel on it. The decal removing wheel. It works better if you take the vinyl off. Much faster. Alright, I gotta get back to work. Well, everything is glued up. And you kind of use what you got to hold it in place. And it hardly moves now. I've got this one piece all the way tying it together. I've just got to get up here and make some brackets in between there. And I got a vertical over here to do up yet. I want it as strong as it was before. Yep, I just gotta wait for this to set up because I'm limited on clamps. I need to get some more, and I'll get back with you. Last section of angle iron going in. So I've got all that done. Yay. So now I'm going to get the butyl tape. I actually managed to find some black butyl tape, which is kind of cool. Alright, I'll bring you back when I get the window ready. Well, the window is installed from the outside. Of course, the inside has to wait until I get the interior walls on there before I can put the finish ring on it. But it's looking good. Window's open a little bit. Get over here. I don't have much room on this side of the trailer. I used that black butyl tape, but then I also came in and used the window sealer that they use for automotives to just doubly make sure that it's not going to leak. If I ever have to take it out, it's going to be a pain in the butt. Let's go inside and take a look. Getting ready to have a thunderstorm here, but it's in. This is just a temporary to hold it while everything sets up. And it gives it a nice cross breeze. Now this is coming out, I think, and I'm gonna put a piece of aluminum piece that I cut out from here, cut that down and put it up there and seal all that. And I'm gonna put my new fan up here. That way, if I'm getting a hot shower from my solar heated water, then I can turn the fan on, take the moisture out, and the separating toilet will be right here, so in case I need it, I can turn the fan on. And of course there'll be a door right here. It's hard to see, but there's a shower over there, and then it steps back here. Then there'll be a door right here. And I forgot where I was going with that. Oh well. Anyway, so I'm going to put some stringers across here and this way to tie it in so I can cut the roof up there for that. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And that's the powered fan. So I think I'll do that next before I start the insulation and the wiring. Get this out. Get that over there. And then maybe I'll be ready to put insulation in and wiring. I'm probably going to cover this floor with 1/4 inch underlayment, just so that it's easier to mark out where everything's going, because there's so much ground-in dirt in this plywood. This was a landscape trailer, so they carried all kinds of dirt in here. So that way my tape will stick. As you can see, my tape didn't stick down there at all. So, oh, there's some thunder. I gotta go check the radar. We haven't had rain in a few days, which is surprising. I've still got to come in here and pull the spring over where it should be, because it bounces when you walk in here. Also, a little bit of slack there I got to tighten up. And then I'm going to loosen both springs just a little bit, because when I took off the flap, the 3/4 inch flap down there, that folds over. Right now, after a certain point, it takes off by itself. So that's why I have the block on there to make sure it doesn't. So I just loosen them up just a little bit and get the tension right. And then that'll be good to go. I made a diagram for every beam up here. So when I do put solar up there, I'll know where those are so I can tap into them. A lot of measuring, a lot of measuring. Kids, take math, lots of math. Everything uses math. All right. So I guess that's about it for now, for today. I don't feel like doing much. It's hot and humid. And I'm still missing HD. But it's getting better. All right. I'll bring you back later.